I wanted to do one last video about why an initial meeting is necessary in your family and estate planning matter. Now, you've heard about our firm, you know about our services, you know what differentiates us from most law firms in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. But what you don't know is that the value of an initial meeting is that it sets you up for the future. It sets you up so that you at least know what to expect in the court process and how your case will usually go through the general population of a pipeline. When you meet with the director of client engagement, they go over your facts, they check dates, they check things that you may or may not have thought were important, right? You might have not thought that the date that you were served is integral to your case. It could be a matter of life and death of your case. It could have been the default that was found. In estate planning matters, you might have not known that there are multiple types of powers of attorney. There is a medical power of attorney. There's a different type of power of attorney for financial decisions. And then there is a trust and the unique benefits of a trust that you can have and have a discussion about and make sure that that's something that you want to opt into, because a lot of people think that they do, but then when they have the conversation about the benefits, the pros and the cons, they make a different decision. So the initial meeting with the director of client engagement is to focus and hone in on your unique case. Every case is very different. Family law is the type of law where facts matter. Estate planning, also a situation where facts matter. People have different desires for different children. They have different desires for different phases of their life. They have different desires for grandchildren, different things like that. So you want to make sure that you have a conversation that prioritizes those things and can give you the guideposts you need to make sure that they're at the forefront. And in addition to that, you can have a conversation with a person who is going to listen, right? A lot of times in this process of legal cases, you feel like a lot of information is coming at you and that no one's listening. One of the things, again, that sets the Murphy Law Firm apart is that we are personable, we are passionate, and we are persistent. We listen to you. We hear your cries about all of the process, all of the difficulties you've had with filing, all of the difficulties with the clerk's office, all of the difficulties leading up to the decision to make an estate planning. So we overstand. And that is one of the reasons why having that initial meeting is and should be your top priority. I wanted to do one last pitch to you to say that you came to this site for a reason. And the reason it should be that you want to set your family up for the best possible future and the best possible outcome that is possible, right? And so the first step would be pushing that button and going ahead and booking a meeting with our director of client engagement today. Thank you.